Redmi Smart Band Pro. The 1.47 full AMOLED display brings about a 66.7% super high screen-to-body ratio, giving you an amazing visual experience you've rarely had before. It can now display more items on the screen and is easier to navigate and control. Featuring a 100% NTSC display, the band provides a full range of colors for you to enjoy. The max brightness of 450 nit will ensure you to see the screen clearly, even under the sunlight. Designed to be smooth and lightweight, the band is comfortable to wear all day long. 110 plus fitness modes help you keep a track of the burned calories, heart rate changes, and workout durations. Find more comprehensive metrics tracking with 15 professional modes. Enjoy being fit, confident, and energetic with Redmi Smart Band Pro. Redmi Smart Band Pro can automatically detect 3 fitness modes: treadmill, outdoor running, and outdoor walking. Just start your workout and the Band Pro has got you covered. Being rated to 5 ATM, Redmi Smart Band Pro can go with you anywhere from a cold shower at home to shallow beach water. Redmi Smart Band Pro tracks your real-time heart rate 24 hours a day and delivers precise reviews and easy-to-read graphs. The band will vibrate to alert when your heart rates fall out of the safe zone. Blood oxygen saturation is a key indicator of a person's overall health, reflecting the oxygen levels in the blood. The band grants you the peace of mind by testing the blood oxygen level automatically during sleep and manually whenever you need. Wondering what happens to your body while you are sleeping? Redmi Smart Band Pro monitors your sleep quality and patterns with care and accuracy. You can check detailed statistics regarding deep sleep, light sleep, and REM phase on your smartphone to help you improve your sleep quality. Know your stress levels so you can handle them well. The band helps you understand when to push yourself a little bit further and when to take a deep breath exercise. The way you deep breath can make your day. Take a scientific guided deep breath exercise with the band. The band predicates the transitions of female cycle stages even before your body does. Be prepared, be proud. There are 50 plus watch faces available for the Redmi Smart Band Pro. Easy and stable charging with a magnetic touch so you can have 14 days battery life with typical use and 20 days with power saving mode. Pair your Redmi Smart Band Pro with the app to start your smart fitness journey. You will get more comprehensive reports of your daily activity records and health metrics. Also, stay tuned to discover more fun. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.